Hi, in this tutorial I would like to show you how to invert colors black and white in Inkscape. So if you want to do it, we need to import here any graphic on image. So let's do it now. First I go to the left upper corner and I click on File. After that I go to Import. Now I select one from available graphics. So I select here long-term investment.jpg and now I click Open. Then I don't change the default settings and I click OK. And file has been successfully imported here. Now we need to go to Path and select here Trace Bitmap. After that we need to go to Single Scan and then we need to change detection mode. So we click on this option and we select here Color Quantization. So I click on this option. Now I recommend you to set colors value to about 30. For example, I will have here 34. And then you can check this option Live Updates. Of course, you can invert these colors if you want by selecting this option Invert Image. And after that you will see that the colors have been successfully inverted here. So if you want to save changes, you need to click on Apply button. And now new graphic has been successfully created here. We can move this graphic down. And like you see, our graphic has been successfully inverted to black and white. And it's everything in this video. If I helped you to do it, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. And that's all. Thank you for watching.